Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Steph.
I'm Leo. I'm Dani, and we are the Alvarez Sisters.
Alright guys, in today's video we are going to be doing the pause challenge. We have this remote over here. So Steph's gonna start off with it. Actually, no. Espérate. Alright guys, in today's video we are going to be doing the pause challenge. We have a remote right over here. In today's video, we are going to be doing the pause challenge. We have a remote right over here. Well, the rules are you can snatch the remote whenever you can snatch it from the other person, so you're in control of both sisters. But you don't have to pause them at the same time. So pretty much, like, let's just say I have the remote control right now. I'm gonna be like, Leo, pause. She has to pause, but Dani can keep doing her own thing until I pause her. And then so on, just keeps going. Yeah, so we're gonna run some errands. You guys are gonna follow us around, and we're gonna be pausing each other. Pause both of you guys. Let's just leave them here. Wow, you guys look cute. Bye, guys. See ya. Honestly, guys, I want to know how long they'll stay there. So, bye, guys. See ya. Did y'all move because the trash can was there when I left? I wanted to move our setup. I didn't want them to see our secret. Well, I just exposed us, so. Are you guys ready to get the video started? Yes, let's go. So you guys, we're gonna put the control here with you guys. So you guys are in control of us at the moment, but we're gonna go stand over there by that car and we're gonna count to 3. Whoever gets to the remote first is in control. Yes, make it even. So let's get, okay, let's go.
The fucker, she's a cheater. She was trying to hold me back. She held me back.
I got it. Pause, Leo. Let's go, Dani. Oh, shit.
We out.
Bye! How should I feel bad?
No. Just until we get to this corner.
Here, hold it.
I don't know if you guys can see me. Ready? On pause.
On pause! Hey guys, so where are we going?
So we're leaving diner.
We got a new subscriber. I'm out of here. Let's go, let's go. Have a good one. I'm gonna screw her over so bad.
Guys, so we're leaving. I have the remote.
I'm gonna screw her over so bad.
What am I gonna have? Alright, I got you. Where do you even have it? Y'all ain't ready for this.
Alright guys, so we're on our way to the store and Steph yanked the remote out of my hand and I had it for 2 seconds. I didn't even get to do anything.
Now she's clutching it in her coochie.
Honestly, I thought you were gonna pause me when I was sitting down and you were gonna just
I was gonna do that, but then I was like, how am I gonna record her?
packing a fatty, sir. Wanna be like that? You will never get the control. Okay, está bien. What's up? We try to be slick about it, right, sister?
Yeah.
Guys, I really wanna go see Osuna. You will never know! No!
Ready, ladies? Quédate, por favor. Yo no sé vivir sin tu amor. Inventada de tu corriente. Tú no sabes que difícil fue el camino. Me tocó pelear con dientes el destino. Y no estuve cuando me necesitaron.
Siempre con un beso vas a despertar. Y si te enamoras, te juro que me enamoro.
Guys, let's take a picture. Pause Danny and pause Steph. Stay there. Excuse me, I need help. Imagine it breaks. Unpause you?
Wait, did you unpause me?
Nope. We love some queens.
Unpause me. I have to pee.
Alright, unpause. Pause. Pause.
Unpause.
Let's go.
Right now. I will you up. I will. No, hurry, someone's gonna see me.
They're gonna see what your luxurious fit. It's like we're doing the mannequin challenge.
That girl is a real crowd, please.
Should we hit the dip?
I will
Let's hit the dip.
Leo, pause me.
Oh, queen.
Please unpause me. No, I have to pee.
Wow, who did your hair?
You did.
So beautiful.
Ugly.
Alright, you're unpaused.
Good.
Got him. So now it is time to get them back for everything they do to me. So here we go. Pause.
Donnie.
Pause.
You fucking lying.
Bye.
Donnie, I can't go.
Toodaloo. Africa, I go. Aren't these cute?
I feel like I can't even breathe because
Aren't these so freaking adorable? Look at this.
Donnie.
Or like, should I get these? These are pretty. I love this color. How do you feel? Unpause. You could stay there for a little bit.
Are you kidding? Me?
Unpause.
Unpause?
Oh.
Pause. So, Donnie, should I get these?
These shoes?
I love those. Alright, so are you gonna get them or what?
I think so. Do you like how they look? I don't have to do any exercises. Like, this is. Should we unpause her?
Nah, just a
Let's
little
go.
longer.
Oh my god.
Do you like these?
Yes,
Unpause. You struggled so much to take it away from her. For her to just take it away.
It's okay, I had her laying on the floor.
Pause.
Oh,
Stay right there. Do not move.
No.
Drive
would
off.
you like me to drive off?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Bye.
Love you. See you on the flip side. You guys see it right there? Should we make another circle?
I'm just gonna like look at her.
Where'd she go?
Hi.
I'm gonna go
Unpause and pause her again when she's ready.
unpause. Pause. I'm gonna do it another time.
No one listen.
But it hasn't been clicked on. Unpause.
Are you sure?
Yes. Pause. Pause.
Okay, you can pause her.
All right, unpause.
He's a cutie.
Guys, come on, louder.
Love my sugar daddies. Tries, but death throws him away. Oh, comes to the front and tries to make conversations.
You know it was a little funny, yes.